Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say a big thank you to you on clicking on this video. I make tutorials on hair and as well as makeup. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be creating the braidless crochet puff for you guys today. And if you love what you see, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together and learn together. I was able to create 4 different hairstyles with this braidless crochet puff, and you guys let me know which one was your favorite, and let me leave a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite, which one you prefer more, and which one was your least favorite. So let's get started to the tutorial. So what I did, I make sure to brush my hair. I moisturize my hair with coconut oil already, and I brush everything out to make sure there's no knot or anything, so that it's easy for me to work with. So I brush everything out with the white tooth comb. I went in with a gel. With this hairstyle, if you have short hair, you will need a lot of gel because you want to lay all your hair down to make sure everything is looking perfectly good and nice. So, and I went ahead, I put the gel and I combed the hair out. I used the brush to make sure everything was laying down flat and perfectly. So that is what I did. And after I did that, I went ahead with a rubber band and I put my hair in a little puff, just like this. It was hard for me to put in a puff because my hair was very short. My hair is very short, guys. So this hairstyle is perfectly for short hair. So this is the back. So I went ahead to make sure that everything was laying down flat, and I wrapped my hair with a scarf and I waited for like 10 to 15 minutes. While I was waiting, I took the hair that I wanted to use, I cut it into two and I combed the ends out. This is a very simple hairstyle, guys. So what I did here, because I was waiting for too long, I went ahead with a dryer just to blow dry it to give it a, like, to make sure that the hair is a little bit dry out, and I used a very low heat to blow dry my hair. It wasn't completely dry yet, but I was able to work with it. So I went ahead and I started to crochet the hair to my hair, just like this.